Hi, I'm Woodruff with Syndicate Sales, and I'm going to show you how to easily arrange with your DIY floral grid. To get started, lock the two pieces of the grid in place and place it on top of your container. Now you can start inserting your ingredients. I always like to start with a few stems of greenery. Hold your grid in place while you place the first few stems. Make sure to remove all foliage from below the grid line. As I'm inserting my ingredients, I like to crisscross my stems. This makes for a solid arrangement once we remove the grid. Continue to add stems until your grid and vase are full. When your arrangement is full, simply separate the pieces of the grid and slide them away from the arrangement. The stems stay neatly in place. Enjoy your design!